Hi, first graders. Welcome to Writing Today. In our memory books, we are working on letters G and H today. Letter G is for Global Play Day. I wonder if you remember when we had Global Play Day and you got to bring a toy to school and we played all day long. We didn't even have to pick up until the very end of the day. That was Miss Anderson's favorite part, is seeing all of the messes that you made because of how much fun you were having, and then we didn't even have to pick anything up until the end of the day. I thought that was pretty cool. So G is for Global Play Day, and your first sentence is going to be on February 5th, 2020, we had Global Play Day. I played with my favorite thing was. Those are some examples of some sentences that you can write, or you can write something else that you would like. And then letter H is going to be for our harvest party. So we had our harvest party, and it says at the harvest party, and then Miss Anderson wrote some things that we did. And I just put an example of one of the pictures. The picture that you have on your page is from something you did at the harvest party. And I just want you to write about the harvest party. And remember to have at least 2 sentences for both of your pages today. Have fun writing. And let me know if you have any questions.